The first angel blew the trumpet. Hail and fire, mixed with blood, were thrown upon the earth, and 1/3 of the earth was set on fire. 1/3 of the trees were burned, and all the grass was burned. Then the second angel blew the trumpet. And the great mountain of fire was thrown into the sea, and 1/3 of the water of the sea became blood, and 1/3 of all living things in the sea died, and 1/3 of all the ships on the sea were destroyed. Then the third angel blew his trumpet. And a great flaming star fell out of the sky, burning like a torch. It fell upon 1/3 of the rivers and on the springs of water. The name of the star was bitterness. It made 1/3 of the water bitter, and many people died because the water was so bitter. Then the fourth angel blew his trumpet. And 1/3 of the sun was dark, and 1/3 of the moon, and 1/3 of the stars, and they became dark, and 1/3 of the day was dark, and 1/3 of the night also. Then I looked up, and I heard a single eagle crying loudly as it flew through the air. Woe, woe, woe to all who belong to this world, because of what will happen when the last three angels blow the trumpet And the fifth angel blew his trumpet. And I saw a star that had fallen to earth from the sky, and he was given the key to the cleft of the bottomless pit. When he opened it, smoke poured out as though from a huge furnace, and the sunlight there was darkened by the smoke. Plant locusts came from the smoke and descended on the earth, and they were given power to sting like scorpions. They were told not to hurt the grass or plants or trees, but to attack all the people who did not have the seal of God on their foreheads. They were told not to kill them, but to torture them for 5 months with agony in the pain of scorpion stings. In those days, people were sick to death, but were not find it. They longed to die, but death would flee away. The locusts looked like horses armed for battle. They had gold crowns on their heads, and their human faces. Their hair was long like the hair of a woman, and their teeth were like the teeth of a lion. They wore armor made of iron, and their wings roared like an army of chariots rushing into battle. Their tails had stung like scorpions with power to torture people. This power was given to them for 5 months. The king is an angel from the bottomless pit. His name in Hebrew is Abaddon, and in Greek, Apollyon, the destroyer. The first woe is past. But look, 2 more woes are coming. And the sixth angel blew his trumpet. And I heard a voice speaking from the 4 horns of the gold altar that stands in the presence of God. And the voice spoke to the 6th angel who held the trumpet. Release the 4 angels who are bound at the great river Euphrates. And the 4 angels have been prepared for this hour and day and month and year, who are turned loose to kill 1/3 all the people on earth. They led an army of 200 million mounted troops. I heard an announcement of how many there were. And in my vision I saw the horses and the riders sitting on them. The riders wore armor that was silver red and sky blue and yellow. The horses' heads were like the heads